All right, so today we're going to talk about tires. We're going to look at tread depth and we're going to look at the wear of the tire. So a couple of things I'm looking at here is I'm looking at how the tire is wearing from the left side all the way to the right side, and I'm looking to see if we have even wear going across the tire. So you can tell from this tire that we're actually eating up the outside edge of the tire. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the thickness of the tread. So we have tread depth gauges that we can check it with, but of course, if you don't have a tread depth gauge at the house, we can always use the old trusty penny. And if you can see any of Lincoln's head, then it's okay. If it gets where you can see all of Lincoln's head, then it's going to need to be replaced. Now, that's bare minimum. If it's that low, then that's going to fail the North Carolina State inspection. So it's better if you use a quarter and you look at a quarter. A quarter between the top of the head and the bottom of the quarter is actually 4/32. That still gives you enough time to get into a shop and have the tires replaced, versus the penny from the top of the head to the bottom is 2/32. If it gets that low, it's probably going to fail the state inspection. Another quick reference here is a tire bar. And what this is a wear bar that goes across the tire. Depending on the manufacturer of the tire, either they're at 2/32 or 4/32. Again, the manufacturer says that at 2/32, this tire needs to be replaced.